So I'm gonna vlog this weekend. I don't know. I figured I'd start now. We're going to a really cool bar tomorrow. But tonight I am helping out with the improv troupe that I joined. I'm wearing the shirt. I'm just helping out with door tonight, so probably like admissions and concessions. This is terrible lighting. Surprise, this room is messy. So anyways, we're going to a cool bar tomorrow, and so I thought I would vlog that, but then I'm not sure if that's gonna be enough for a whole video, so I was like, I'll just vlog the weekend. Hey look, I don't have anything on my teeth for once. That's amazing. But yeah, so tonight I'm helping out with the Comedy Arena. Should be fun. It's a comedy sports show, and then after that is like a stand-up show. I might vlog a little bit of that. I don't know. I'll have to ask if that's okay. But yeah, so that's cool. And then tomorrow morning I work. I will not be vlogging me working because I'm waiting tables, and that would be weird. But yeah, so I've done my makeup. I'm just about done with my hair. I just need to pin up this crap. And we wear jeans when we are helping out at the door, and I hate wearing jeans, so I'm really just procrastinating. Yes. So I'm gonna watch some YouTube and then probably eat a cookie. Yes. I've been a pretty terrible vlogger. Last night we went out. We went to, I think they called it like Wasted Wizards something. I don't know. It was marketed to be like Leaky Cauldron. It was a letdown. I was sad. I don't know. I feel like I'm such a nerd. Whoa. I'm such a nerd. I wanted it to be super authentic, but I don't think anybody's really on my level. And then also we went to Harry Potter World over the summer, and nothing is gonna compare to that. So instead we walked across the street and we went, oh, this is terrible lighting. I don't care. We went to a bar called Barcadia, which is like a bar that has some arcade games. And that was fun. Met up with some friends. Got demolished in some skee ball and some basketball game. You know what I'm talking about? Like the arcade game with the basketballs and you shoot them, and yeah. And I had a couple cocktails. And today I'm feeling a little fragile. Like I feel alright. I should feel worse than I do now. But I just feel like, you know, like not great. So it's about 11:30 right now on Sunday, and I have barely eaten breakfast. I've had some Gatorade. I need to drink a crap ton of water. And I'm gonna take a bath. There's a doggy behind me. I'm on her nest, so she's a little upset. But yeah, I'm gonna take a bath, drink some water, put on a sheet mask. I have to work today. So that's fun. So I need to definitely hydrate before I go to work. That is priority number one. And then I will get some caffeine on my way in, because I told my boss that I wanted to close tonight. Now I'm regretting that. Now I would like to be first cut, which is possible because I'm coming in first. Anyways, y'all don't care about this at all. I'm gonna take a bath and I will update you later. I'm thinking about what this vlog is gonna be. It's not great. Oh, we got some. So you know how in my beauty room, Isabella likes to sit on the couch in that little blanket? That's because she does this here too. Like every night we have this little blanket set up for her, like a little nest, and this is what she likes. And if her nest is not set up, she just digs and digs and digs and licks and licks and licks, and she won't go to sleep. So, and then Penny sleeps right there, but then she'll move over right here, and she'll move over right here and sleep on our heads. And then sometimes she'll come over and kick Isabella out of her nest. My baby. Do you like your nest? Yeah? She is not feeling fragile today. She is feeling very good. She's a happy dog. Kiezies. Okay, I'm gonna take a bath. Okay, so I'm gonna use this sheet mask with hyaluronic acid and gold. All right, cool. Hello Kitty. I hope I look as cute as that. We'll see. And then I'm gonna use it with this gua sha tool to do some lymphatic drainage and see if that makes me look a little bit less like this. It's just so puffy. I just washed my face. I have a pimple there, some like clogged pores right here. I need to do like a full face mask day, and I need to get a facial and a massage, honestly. But this is what I'm doing today. So, still gonna have a Sunday fun day before it's time for work. I have an alarm on my phone for when I need to start getting ready for work, so I can just like relax and not worry about it. So that's good. Okay. Oh, I can tell you what bath bomb I'm gonna use. Okay, so this is my bath bomb collection right now. It's a pumpkin. More on that to come. I was thinking about doing Bomb Perignon, since I'm, you know, I don't want to do hair of the dog, but also like, I don't know. I can also do this pear one that's nice for the experimenter. I definitely want to bomb over bubbles. I'm gonna do Bomb Perignon. We're gonna do it Okay, great. It's Wednesday, my dudes. Worst weekend vlog ever. Let's see, I think I left you guys off Sunday. I went to work. This eye has been twitching nonstop, so if you see that, just like, I was gonna say ignore it, but I just pointed it out, so it's fine. Just, I guess just pray for me, you know? Because it's like, it's going hard over there. Like, this eye's having a rave. Anyways, Sunday, I went to work. We got our butts kicked. It was real busy. And then I got my schedule for the week during the shift, and it was not what I signed up for, so I was a little upset, and by a little upset, I mean very upset. So then I went back to work Monday morning. I was exhausted, got like no sleep. Sunday night, some of my neighbors were having a party, and it was just a mess, and so I just slept like crap. And then Monday I was just in a bad mood because I slept like crap. And then Monday night, Derek took me to Target, and we walked around a little bit, looked at some of the Halloween decor, which is very exciting, coming soon. And then yesterday I worked a double, so I've not had time to close out this vlog, which is what I'm doing today. Also, I didn't get a chance to upload a video on Monday. I just didn't. It's really killing me. Like, I don't want to go down to 2 uploads a week, but I might have to. So, I don't know. I'm gonna upload this vlog today, like as soon as this is done. Yes. And then probably get this place clean. I don't work again until Sunday, so I've got a little bit of time to film some videos and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this a little bit. I hope it was something. I hope that some of the footage on my phone comes out okay. I'm most nervous about that. But yeah, I hope you guys had an awesome weekend and you're having a great week. And I hope that you take some time for yourself this week. Cool. Thanks, guys. I will see you guys on Friday. Subscribe, comment things down below, follow me on social media. It's @EmilyFunBun. That's it. Okay, bye.